Hey Bo, your video has inspired me to pursue a business or franchise purchase. Could you please guide me on the necessary documents for a business acquisition compared to starting a franchise from scratch? Thanks.
Sure. So if we're talking about SBA, there's going to be a lot of the similar forms. SBA Form 413, Personal Financial Statement. 1919, that's your personal information. It's kind of like an application. Your tax returns for the last 3 years, bank statements, resume. And then if you're buying a franchise, we need the franchise disclosure document. So let's just say it's a franchise startup, 3 years of projections. If you're buying an existing business, we need 3 years of seller's tax returns and a year to date. So it's pretty much all the same documents except for getting the tax returns from the seller and a few other items as you progress, like AR, accounts receivable, inventory, and equipment. We have worksheets for that, but that's after you get your term sheet, you would do that paperwork. But similar processes, really. SBA process isn't that much different. On the franchise purchase, the franchise disclosure document is going to say how many units they have. It's harder. It's easier to finance a well-established franchise, meaning they have 50 plus units. But anything 10 units and greater is easier than 1 or 2 units and they're just starting out. But those are all still financeable. We just got to understand what it is, what type of franchise, get the franchise disclosure. We build out your projections and business plan, and similar process though. So the existing business may be a little bit easier if it's cash flowing, and most banks will lend higher proceeds on an existing cash flowing business, whether it's a franchise or non-franchise type business. But on a franchise, 80 to 90% is achievable. Business acquisition up to 90% is achievable. Plus, on a business acquisition, you can get the seller to do a little bit of a carryback, and we've talked about that in other episodes. But feel free to book a call below. We could dive into the details of both options and give you a little bit more clarity. Thanks for the question, Jill. Hi, if you'd like to book a call with me and discuss SBA financing, whether it's a 7A or 504, or you just don't know where to start, maybe it's a startup business, you're buying an existing business, you're buying a franchise, you're building a new office building, you want to expand your existing business, we have multiple solutions. I can walk you through the 7A and the 504 and the SBA loan process. And if you have any other questions on any other types of financing, I'm happy to book a call with you. The link's below. Look forward to seeing you soon. Hey guys, Bo Eckstein here. If you enjoyed what you saw, please subscribe to this channel. We talk all things financing. I've been in the lending industry for over 20 years, and I'm happy to answer your questions and provide great content.